Hi guys, make this body wash with me. Very brightening body wash that you can use, budget friendly. You need lavender, oat, and calendula and neem. You can as well use only neem and and oatmeal for this. You can use only oatmeal as well. Yes, they will brighten up your skin and help you glow. So you need a plain body wash. Any body wash will do, except the one that has, don't use bleaching one, just use plain body wash. And this is a natural glow body wash. So you want to add the lavender, calendula, and neem, and also oats that can help you treat eczema. If you have eczema, this is a win for you. It's a eczema and psoriasis it will help you very well. So you want to stir up and stir all the ingredient in. So what I'm going to do next is to put it in the pot for it to loosen up. Just put it in the stove for it to loosen up so that it will infuse overnight. Yeah, you put it in here. After 2 minutes, you have to bring it out. Don't let it stay here for long and let it sit overnight off the stove. And then boil some water, put the pot in, and loosen it up. Yes, you want to loosen it up so that you can be able to strain the herbs out from the um body wash. So I am straining it here. After straining it, you are good to go. You can add your own essential oil. Few drops is enough, and just put them inside the bottle. Yes, that is it for today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have lots of video coming, and thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, please enjoy, share to your friends. You can see this thing is now ticking. See, it's not running. Thank you.